The Subaru Boxer Engine, which is named for the horizontal movement of the piston, much like boxers striking punches, is at the core of every Subaru. Discover the pros of this engine, why Subaru chose the Boxer engine, how it works, and how it enhances the driving experience by providing safety, performance, and handling benefits. The Subaru's Boxer engine pros: fuel economy. A flat design allows the gearbox to receive engine power directly. Improved fuel efficiency is achieved by eliminating unnecessary engine components and inefficiencies. Compared to other odd cars in the US, Subaru's is the most fuel efficient. Lower center of gravity. The car's center of gravity is reduced by lowering the engine's center of gravity. When turning or performing evasive maneuvers, a vehicle with a lower center of gravity is more responsive. Slighter vibrations, a reduction in noise and vibrations. Inline and V-type engines, on the other hand, necessitate the use of extra components to prevent harmful vibration. Better driving experience. Because of the engine's low mass, this design has a lower overall center of gravity. Similarly, an asymmetrically balanced engine improves the overall symmetrical balance of the vehicle. These features work together to make driving a lot more secure, steady, and ultimately enjoyable. Safety. The low center of gravity of the Boxer engine allows the engine to fall below the passenger cabin in the case of a frontal collision. Subaru DNA is Boxer. Subaru has been using the Subaru Boxer engine exclusively in all of its vehicles for more than 45 years. Subaru's unique design is an integral component of the brand's DNA, because other manufacturers haven't embraced it. Several Porsche models include the Boxer, Cayman, and 911 that include this feature. This flat, short shape results in a shallow center of gravity and incredibly smooth running, Porsche claims. Why other automotive manufacturers don't implement Boxer engines? Honda, Toyota, and others would be practically impossible to profit from a Boxer engine due to their architecture's lack of gearbox space. Inline engines have a tendency to place the gearbox on one side of the engine, resulting in a lack of balance. How do Boxer engines work? The horizontally opposed engine, HOE, is Subaru's preferred design for driving pleasure. Each of the pistons is positioned 180 degrees from each other around the crankshaft and works to cancel out the vibrations of the other, creating a smooth, shudder-free driving experience. As a result, the engine can produce a sweet response to the driver at any given speed. Compared to a standard inline engine, the length and height of this engine configuration may be reduced, and it is also lighter. Vehicle weight distribution can be nearly the same on the left and right sides, thanks to an engine lower in the vehicle. Summary: the Boxer engine is a special engine because of its unique design, and its advantages over other designs, which will ultimately lead to a smoother, safer, and better driving experience over other engines such as inline and V. It is currently implemented by the Japanese manufacturer Subaru in all its models and the German supercar automaker Porsche in some of its models. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe to get notified of my latest content and share this video to grow the channel, and also comment on any future video you want me to make. Bye.